Hey, it's Clay Trader for BullWarriorStocks.com, and this will be a video chart analysis on ticker symbol PHOT, where we're going to look at the 60-minute time frame. Now, the reason I want to do the 60-minute is if I pull up the daily real quick, you can see that there's really not too much that can be taken from it other than price started to creep back up the past couple of days, and then today just absolutely exploded. So I won't call the daily chart worthless, but I just think we can get a lot more information from the 60 minutes. So that's where we're going to spend our time. Real quick, what that means is when I say 60 minutes, instead of each one of these bars or candlesticks as they're called representing 1 day's worth of price action, each one just represents an hour's worth of trading action. So these lines you see here were from the last time I did the video. I believe that was on Tuesday. Yeah, because the market was closed on Wednesday. So on Tuesday, I drew these lines, and I drew these blue ones if you want to go back and watch it, because with a break of this level, that would put things in the blue sky breakout territory. And sure enough, you can see right there the power of charts. Got above there and then just made another monster move today. So the chart is currently in blue sky breakout territory. And like I already touched on at the beginning of the video, I think the 60-minute does a little bit better job of showing what's going on. So the first thing that needs to happen is I'm just going to update these lines. They are no longer levels of resistance, they are levels of support now. So these both need to be updated, just because basic technical analysis, when a resistance is broken and closed above, they become support. So now we have this previous resistance zone is now a support zone, and that zone is between 0.1495 and 0.158. So that's the newest level of support. Just going to get rid of this one because I don't want to make the chart too messy. So we'll just, there we go, get rid of that. Now in terms of resistance, let me take a step back. Want to talk about this level of support right here. This is the new little ideal level, meaning if you were to ask me what would make the chart look the absolute strongest, my answer would be if this level right here could hold as support, and that is at 0.18. So if 18 cents can hold, that's going to make the chart look very, very strong. But if it doesn't, by no means should you be panicking, because as you can hopefully see, all sorts of support levels below you. So at this point in time, the path of least resistance is undoubtedly up. So that's the one thing to keep in mind. And then as far as resistances go, just simply where the profit taker stepped in today, that was up here at 0.2075. So 0.2075 is the current level of resistance. Going to leave that line skinny red though, because with any sort of volume, I'm sure it's not going to put up much of a fight. But for the time being, that is the current level of resistance. So that's all I have for this one. I'd like to direct your attention now down here and check out my private trading group. What it is, it's a group of traders, everybody from new all the way to experienced. I send out trade ideas every week, and it's just a good environment to learn in. Or if, like I said, you already use charts and are experienced with them, it's just a good way to get some additional trade ideas every week. I'd encourage you to at least read some of the testimonials that have been out on it. Been getting good reviews, so I'd encourage you to check it out, and hopefully you decide to join us and join the team. So again, this was PHOT. Thanks for listening, and have a good one.